Hey everyone, this is Pritam and welcome to Struct with Pritam. In this video, we are going to see how to open ETABS 23.2 version files in ETABS 20. This is a very common and everyday problem of professionals and students finding this error. So, I have make this video. So, what happened? During my structural engineering internship, I encountered a common issue. Project file created in a higher ETABS versions couldn't be opened in a lower versions. Instead of recreating the entire model, engineers use a simple method, that is to transfer the model between the ETABS version. In this video, I am going to discuss the same method and the same technique used by the engineers to resolve this problem. I will show you exactly how to do it. So first of all, let's see what's the problem. So this is our ETABS file, right? So when I just click on here, open existing model, I have a model present of my company. So which I am working on a billboard model. Okay. So it is present like this. This is our ETABS project 1.1 ETABS. This is a model. So I want to create it, but it is present in a higher version. It is of the ETABS 2022. So in this video we will be seeing how to import in our ETABS 20 files. Okay, currently I am using a version of ETABS 20, so it will be much more clear to you. So here you can see that when I just click here on open existing model and directed here to this file, that is model 1, that is project 1.1 that I have saved. It is basically present in ETABS 22.7 version. When I just click here on open, it will show me some error type like this. That is, here is a notification that is version 22.7.0 file cannot be opened in an older version 20.0.0 that basically I am using. You may be able to impact the corresponding .e2k file. Okay, so just click on OK or just close it, and that's what the problem is. And there is another method that when you just click here on this open, same way when you just click on this project 1.1 ETABS, that is just click on OK, you will encounter the same problem. So how to deal with it? So that's how I have taken this video. Let's imagine a scenario that your senior send an ETABS file which is ETABS 22.7 version or higher version, but you have only ETABS 20 installed in your PC or laptop, and which is basically a cracked version, or if it is present of a industry level, then it is okay. But if it is also a crack version, it will not open, or if it is a industry level 20 version, then also it will not open the file. So what happens? The file doesn't open. So let's fix it. So how to fix it? So I have taken here step-by-step formation here. So first step, that is ask your senior which ETABS version was used. If they said that it was a ETABS 22.7 or latest one, that is the 23.2 version of ETABS they have used, as in the companies or in the companies they use the higher version or industry level version. Okay, so this is the scenario, right? Then what's the step 2? That request them first of all that if you have ETABS 20 version and they have made a model in ETABS 22.7 version, then you will be not able to access that file in your ETABS 20 model. So what to do? Step 2, that is request an E2K file or $ET database file. These are basically a formation files being present of them. Okay, so this is how it is. And then the step 3, that is the receive the exported file, which is a complete database file is present, that we have to receive the exported file. Then the step 4, that will be open the ETABS 20 that you are currently having. And then after step 5, that is the import the E2K file or $ET file in your model. Then step 6, that is the ETABS rebuild the model. Then step 7, that is the verify the sections and the load. And the step 8, that is the run analysis. After that your model will be ready. So let's see step by step how can we deal. So here I will just open ETABS, that here I will go to this new model first of all. to show you directly from the start. Just click on your new model, then here use building settings with. Here as per your country you can choose. As I am from India, so I will be choosing here as the display unit as the metric SI. Region for the default material that I will be choosing here as the India, and the steel section database that I will be choosing here Indian. As per your country you can choose, this much are been present here. Then after the steel design code, here I will be using here as the IS 800 2007, and concrete design code, that is the IS 456 2007. As per your country there are different varieties and different IS codes, or the ACI code or the Euro code. Based on your country it is been present. Just click on OK then, and here the new model quick template will open like this. I will just choose here as the blank because I want to import this model. So just click on your blank and just click on OK. And then after, here you can see that ETABS, here the version is 20.0.0 that I am currently using. Okay, then what to do, that my files are being present. So how to use it? There are two methods, that is by using the .e2k, importing by .e2k, and the second one is that by importing with the help of the $et file. So I will show you both the methods. Just click on this file, and then after go to this import. In this import, when you see that this much options are open, but we want here as the choose here as the etabs.e2k text file. Just click on it, and then it will say that do you want to save this model? So just click here on no, and then after it will open you a file. Just choose the file where it is been present. This is basically the file I was been searching for. Here after that, here when this is basically the model of the billboard, so I am just choosing here all files. In it you can see that all these files are being present, but many times what happens, these files cannot be all these files do not be required. We just required $et and .e2k file. So here just directly choose here as the input files as the .e2k and $et file. Basically this one has been present here, and it is basically $et file. Just click on this $et file, and then just click on this open, and here you can see that this is the model is being present, and this is all these things will be opened. And many times what happens, here you will be get some pop-ups like that, and it will say that this is model and all these things, and that in that place what you have to do, just click on OK, 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 or done, done, done. Then after you will be get to all these things. Don't be panic when it will say that it is not ETABS 20, it will not open in the ETABS 20 version. When you just import that file and do this steps of OK, when you will be seen that I have opened this plan before, so it is not shown to me. But when you just open that file, then don't be panic. Just click on that OK format. Okay, 4 to 5 or 6 to 7 notification will be shown to you. Just click on that OK, and then after you can see that all these errors will be gone, and your model will be ready like this. And then after what to do, here you can see that go to define, see the section properties, frame section, what are they been present here. As this is the steel section, so it is being shown in the steel format. Here you can see that all these materials are being present. Here we have used this aluminum AA 52. This is basically all this data being provided to us, and we have been make this. Then after, here go to this load patterns and see what are the load patterns, and all these things are being applied. Okay, like this way we have to see. And then after, here you can see that the load combinations are being present. Here we have added about 30 of the load combination step by step manually. Okay, or these are basically more than 30. Just close this, and like this way you can open these files. And one more thing, that we have seen how to do it. And if this ETABS tip saved your time, then you will find many more practical ETABS workflow inside my complete ETABS course, that is ETABS complete course. In this course, the course is designed specifically for civil engineering student and the young structural engineer who want to become industry ready. Here our complete ETABS 0 to hero course comes to an end. it is basically present from the basic to the advanced level. In it, I have covered the practical, industry focused, and beginners to advanced level concept. Okay, and it is been in this course we have taken the structural modeling, load application, then the analysis and result format. Then we have seen for the design of the RC structure, that is the reinforced concrete structure, and we have seen a real projects workflow. Basically, we have worked on 6 different models. In it, it is been present of the G+8 story, G+4 story, G+3 story, and all the concept I have cleared completely. And this is basically present on our Udemy platform, and it is the highest rated ETABS course on Udemy. So enroll now and upgrade your skills. And this is basically a step-by-step learning course, and we have taken here as the practical examples, industry standard practices, lifetime access to this course. Whenever you want, you can watch it, learn at your own pace. Means whenever you can watch, whenever you can finish it into a 4 days, or you can spend months on it. Whenever you require, whenever you want to clear the concept, go and watch that part, and this course will be get completed, and you will be get certified with a certificate from me as a form of the Udemy format. And then after, here you can see that here many of the students ask for the coupon code. So here I have been added one coupon code, that is get at 499. This code is the lowest price this course will be present. Okay, so when you use this get at 499, when you click on this description, the link is present in the description box. When you click on that and go to the Udemy platform and choose the coupon code format and apply this get at 499 option, then you will be get this course at a complete lowest price, that is at rupees 499. So like this way our concept will be get cleared. And this is our profile. Here you can see that it is a complete ETABS course from 0 to hero. It has been highest rated as of the Udemy platform. Basically till now it 93 students have taken and 11 students have given the ratings. That is basically we have got about 4.8 star rating. That is the highest rated course, and I am continuously updating this course. Basically it has been last updated about 6th of 2026, means it has been June, and I have updated this course. So okay, so and one more thing, if this get at 499 will not work, then when you go on the Udemy platform, here the interface will be shown like this. What you will be learn is being present here at that location. Here you can see that get at 499 at this place. If this get 499 validity has been over, then I will be just putting here the another code that will give you the same exact discount. Okay, so that's it for this course, and check out the link in the description box. That's it.